Hello everyone, this is Afrin Qureshi this side and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Qalbi Qalam. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great. Happy Ramadan to you. So I want to share my experience of this particular order which I have ordered from the website called Itsy Bitsy. So basically it's a craft store. They have almost everything you desire as an artist, like resin art stuff, texture art, and chalk paints, MDF boards, and sketch pens, inks, and almost everything. So I ordered this sculpture paste from them and I ordered it around 12 a.m. I did the online payment. Money was deducted from my account, but I didn't get the confirmation message from them. I got a little panic and I tried to log in again on their website. First, I tried to download their app, which was not available on iOS, I think so, because I was unable to download their app. Then I tried to log in from the website with the same account which I have created to order this. But unfortunately, it was showing that this account doesn't exist, and that made me like, OMG, is it like fraud website or what? And in the afternoon, I called on their customer care number and I told them everything what have happened. The guy said that your order have been confirmed, but it's just that maybe some due to some glitch you haven't received any messages, confirmation message. So he confirmed my order and said that you will receive your order around Tuesday, but fortunately I have received it on Monday. एक दिन पहले मिलने के बावजूद आई हैवंट डन एनीथिंग एंड ये अभी भी ऐसा ही रखा है. So my whole experience was like from the panicking customer to the happy customer, and they have also delivered it before the deadline, so it was a good experience. Loved it.